Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download desktop themes in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to go to your settings and click on personalization. Here you can see themes. Click on it. Now go to Browse Themes. Now you can see here a list of themes. You can choose your themes which you like. Click on Create. Now click on Open. Now you can select your theme to your desktop. If you want to use this theme, then click on Use Custom Theme. So this is how you can download and use your theme in your desktop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.